Welcome to the Account Solutions. This channel is dedicated to bring you solutions to your everyday tasks in areas of bookkeeping, business administration, accounting, and taxation. If you like what we're doing here, kindly click on the subscription button and support us. Enjoy the rest of this tutorial. So this expiring date tracker is to track the expiring dates of drugs in the pharmacy or chemist. So just a simple database with 4 worksheets. So we have the first worksheet, which is the dashboard. The dashboard shows you some simple statistics. We have number of products with 90 days to expire. We have 5 of them. Number of products with 60 days to expire, 4. Number of products with 30 days to expire, 6. So by tomorrow, these statistics will change, based on the number of days available for them to expire. We have number of products available in this database. Number of expired products is 1. Total products manufactured this year, 0. Okay, so we have this dashboard. Then we have this pivot table, which you can right click and refresh. Anytime you enter a new data, you right click and you will select refresh. It gives you, for those that have 60 days to expire, it will highlight them in green. Those that have 30 days to expire, it will highlight them in red. And those that have 90 days to expire, it will highlight them in blue. Then those that have less than 30 days to expire, this is yellow with red text. And those that are above 30 or above 60 or above 90, just in white, okay, based on what you want to see or what you want to track. So we have another sheet for suppliers. If you want to have supplier database, just enter the name of the supplier here. This is number 2. We have C-Man Drugs, okay, and the contact person is Mr. Law Benson. You can put contact number, address, and the rest of them. When you come to database, you can select a supplier from this drop down. You can select a supplier from this drop down list if you choose to do so. Now we have name of the product in this column. You can add more product names. We have name of manufacturer, the batch number, supplier, the date in which you stocked this product into your store or your pharmacy, and the date of manufacture with the expiring date. This is the most important date here. The expiring date is very important, more than the date in stock and the manufacturer date. So you need to key in the expiring date. If for any reason you don't key in a manufacturing date, you will see a comment here, no expiring date. Sorry, if for any reason you didn't key in an expiring date, you will see a comment saying no expiring date. So you must key in an expiring date. And it's very important, more than the stock date and the manufacturer date. Okay, so that's how you populate this template. Any expired drug will just give you a red field with a white text. Others will be active. Okay, and just look at all this. Now the final sheet for status. We have different pivot tables here. The first one shows you the number of expired items, the expired items, the date expired, and the product name. Second table shows you the expired or expiring item this week. So it's dynamic as the week is changing. Okay, this data will be changing, but you have to still just pick one, right click and refresh. Each time you post data or each day you right click and you refresh. Now this the table will always change based on the week you are. It's been conditioned to filter that way. So we have expired or expiring this week, expiring next week. So you have the ones that will expire next week. Today is 13th of August 2020. So by next week, these ones will expire. We now have the ones that will expire this month. These are all the products that will expire by the end of August 2020. We now have a table showing the ones that will expire next month. So you can be able to prepare, on how you can do maybe sales or discounted offer for these drugs. We now have the one that will be expiring next quarter. Okay, so it's easy to track the drugs that will expire next quarter. Always remember to right click and refresh. And the last table showing the drugs that expired or will be expiring this year. So by next year, it will change and give you the one that is expiring next year. So it's been programmed to filter based on the conditions that have been set in this pivot table. So that's just all about this database. If you want more features in the dashboard, okay, you can just let us know. So I'll just demonstrate how it works. Let's look at the dashboard. We have 590 days to expire, 460 days, and 630 days. So let me just go and add more products here. Okay, so let me add any product at all. Let me add chloroquine. Okay, yeah, chloroquine S4, whatever that means. I'll just put the company name. Just copy these ones and paste there. Not so important. Just put something there just to demonstrate this video. Okay. All right. So we have this. Let's save on another vendor. Seaman Drugs. So this will expire 31st of October 2020. So we have 79 days to expire. Okay, so let's get back to our dashboard. You can see 28 products have updated. 28 products. Before it was 27, now it's 28. Let's come back here. Let's assume this was manufactured in 1st January 2019. 2020, for instance. You can see from the dashboard number of items to expire this year. Okay, sorry, this is for stocking manufactured on this date. All right, so dashboard has changed to 1. Total product manufactured this year is now 1. Okay, number of expired products is still 1. Let's assume this product itself has expired. Let's change this to yesterday, 12th August 20. So the expired, come out to the dashboard. Number of expired products is 2. So right click and refresh this table, you will get new data. Open S4 is already here now, 79. So that's how this expiring date tracker works. These figures here are based on Excel formulas. So once you update this database, they will just change automatically. But this report here is based on the pivot table. You need to right click and refresh for it to give you a new data. If you want to just check a particular product without going through all these ones, you can just come here and select a particular product and check the number of days left to expire. So it has 1 day to expire. This one has 90 days to expire. So just change this product here and to give you your report. So that's how you can track drugs with this simple template. You can add more items here and to give you the reports you want to see. If you need more features to be added to this template, you can reach out to us and we can discuss how we can add those features. Thank you.